Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of my short video series. Today I would like to share with you a beautiful spot here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. A perfect place to add to your bucket list if you are looking for a relaxing weekend getaway. If you are a nature lover like me, this is definitely a destination you will want to experience. Let me know your thoughts about this short video series in the comments. I would be happy to read them. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you again very soon in my next video.